guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to take a second to say hello to all the new subscribers. We are growing. I also want to remind everybody about the Blue Blood palette that I'm giving away at our 500 subscriber mark. If you have not entered that contest, please go back, find that video, go ahead and enter yourself. Come try your luck. It is still in the packaging, ready to be shipped out to one of you great people. So just wanted to throw that out there. But today it is July 15th, and I want to do my review of the Boxycharm limited skincare box that came out in May. I've had long enough to try out the products. With skincare, you need to do at least 30 days. I gave it a little bit longer just to make sure that my review was up to date and crystal clear. So let's go ahead and open this on up. This was everything that we received in that skincare box. So let's go ahead and go over it one by one and my thoughts on it. It was the May box. It was a limited skincare box, which means there were only so many available. And this box, I believe, was $49. I believe it was $49. And then the total retail value for my box was $268. But we're going to go ahead and go over everything that was in here. The Sunday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I tried this a couple of times. It's not my favorite. I'm still working with it. I don't like how it does. You get your skin wet. Put this on there and then you just rub. And it's a refining peel gel, so you get these little white balls of skin, dead skin, that are coming up and flaking off, but they're not flaking off because your skin's wet. So you're just squishing it around your face. Not my favorite. Then we got the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. I do like this. I do use this on a daily at night. I use my Glam Glow Super Serum, which we also got in here, which I also love. I use this, and then I use this as a topper. Both of these are great. I loved both of them. Will continue to use them and repurchase them most likely. Then we got the Watermelon Glow Sheet by Glow Recipe. We did receive two. I have used one. This is the second one, and I did like this. It was very invigorating smelling. I liked how it left my face. It's very hydrating, very smoothing. So this was an A in my book for this sheet mask. Then we had the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter. I am still trying to get to use this. I have used it a little bit. As you can see, it is jelly. And there's those puppies again. I'm just not a real big fan of how it does. Super sorry about that. Mama dog is getting to where she does not want to feed the babies or be in there any longer than necessary. Like I was saying, the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter, it's just very weird. I don't like how it sets in my skin, but it does work. I mean, you can see it. I do like to wear this on a no makeup day, but I went very natural today for this review box. But as you can see, that is that. So I do like it. I'm just still learning how to use it. So there's that. Then we had the Jade Roller. I use this nightly. I use it in conjunction with my Elemis and my Glow Glam Serum. It feels great. I keep it in my refrigerator so that it's cooling. It is wonderful. If you do not have a Jade Roller or a Rose Quartz Roller, invest in one. They really do help. I can see visible signs of all of this skincare box working on my face, my forehead lines. As you can see, they have diminished quite a bit. They're still there. I'm 41 years old. They're never going to go away. But they have diminished, and the lines around my eyes have diminished. The lines around my lips have diminished in using these products. So it did do what it said it was going to do. The next thing we had was the Caudalie grape water. This is just a refreshing spray. I'm almost out of it, and I do like it. It does feel nice, and it soothes and moisturizes. After I clean my face, I spray this on there, let that dry. Then I do my Elemis and my Glow Glam. And then we had the last product, which was the Kapari Coconut Cleansing Oil. Now this works great on your eyes as far as your eye makeup, your mascara and eyeliner and eyebrow gel, pomade, whatever you use, pencil, as far as your eyebrows. Now this stuff will take that off. It is very good in that aspect, but as far as putting it all over your face, it is just very much very oily, and you can still feel that on your face. So I don't recommend washing your face with it, but as far as your eye makeup, works great. And that was my review for the May limited skincare box. So not a favorite, not a super favorite, totally a winner. Both of these were totally a winner. This I do like I said, for my no makeup days. Just put this on, some eyelashes, or some mascara, some eyebrows, lip gloss. Perfect look. Very nice and simple. The Jade Roller is phenomenal. I love how it soaks into my skin and it feels great. And then the Jelly Sheet Mask was also great. So, of the 8 products that we received in that box, you know, only 2 of them weren't really my cup of tea. So I found it to be a great box. I was glad that I got to purchase it. If you have any further questions on any of these items, do comment down below and I will try to answer them the best that I can. And that was our video for our skincare box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so already. I'd love to have you join the family. I am going to be doing a video on the growth of the puppies here shortly, so that all of my people can see that and how they've grown. They will be 6 weeks old on Sunday. Today is Monday, July 15th. So they are growing, they are big, they are healthy, and they are loud. I am also fixing to do a review on a pet box. It is called Rescue Box. I sent off for a $1 trial box, which gives you 2 samples. I will have more information on that here soon, I hope. I did email the company to try to get y'all a coupon or discount. Either way, this company, the boxes that you buy, it is a monthly subscription box. It is also a pet box, but a majority of that proceeds goes to vaccinations and pet food for local dog shelters and kitties, dogs and cats both. So that was very near and dear to my heart, and I know a lot of y'all have fur babies, and I can't wait to bring that box to y'all. I am still waiting to hear from the company, but it's coming. So with that, I'm going to end this video. I hope everybody had a great day. It is thundering and raining here as always. And until next time, you stay beautiful and have a great one. Bye.